Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we are going to solve one math Olympiad problem based on exponential equation. Equation is 6 power x plus 8 power x plus 15 power x equal to 9 power x plus 10 power x plus 12 power x. So I am going to use algebraic approach. Here you will see Pythagorean triplets, Pythagoras theorem, properties of exponents, and then ultimately we will use algebraic manipulation. So let's get started. I know that 6 square plus 8 square equal to 10 square by Pythagoras theorem. So 6, 8 and 10 is Pythagorean triplet. Similarly, if you will check, then 9 square plus 12 square is equal to 15 square. 81 plus 144, that is 225. Meaning is 9, 12, 15 is also Pythagorean triplet. So keeping this thing in our mind, I am going to shift all the three terms at one side and the remaining three to the other sides. So let us write 6 power x plus 8 power x minus 10 power x equal to 9 power x plus 12 power x minus 15 power x. Now 10 power x from the left hand side and 15 power x from the right hand side I will take common. So if I will take 10 power x common, then what will be inside the bracket left? 6 power x over 10 power x plus 8 power x over 10 power x minus 1 equal to 15 power x common. So 9 power x over 15 power x plus 12 power x over 15 power x minus 1. Now by the property of exponent, that is a power x over b power x can be written as a over b power x. So our equation will become 10 power x bracket. It will be 6 over 10 whole power x plus 8 over 10 whole power x minus 1 equal to 15 power x in bracket 9 over 15 whole power x plus 12 over 15 whole power x minus 1. Now cancel whatever you can. So it will be 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x minus 1 equal to 15 power x 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x minus 1. Now you can see I will take this bracket common. Before you have to consider all the terms to left side, take the bracket common. So ultimate equation will come out 15 power x minus 10 power x in one bracket, and in second bracket you will have 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is very important equation. Now onwards we will solve only this equation. Let me find the solution. So either 15 power x minus 10 power x will be equal to 0, or second bracket, that was 3 over 4 whole power x plus 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x minus 1 equal to 0. Now divide by 10 power x both sides. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So it will become 15 power x over 10 power x minus 1 equal to 0. Take minus 1 to the right. So 15 over 10 by the same property of exponent equal to 1. So if you will write 1 as, then we can write 15 over 10 without cancelling, whole power 0. So that concludes actually x equal to 0 is our one solution. Now come to the second solution. So 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x. Let me take 1 to the right. So take away 1 from both sides equal to 1. Now it is directly visible x equal to 2 is our solution. X equal to 2, then it will be 3 over 5 whole square plus 4 over 5 whole square. If you will add, then it will be 9 plus 16 over 25, 25 over 25, so 1, which is your right hand side. Now we have to ensure that x less than 2 and x greater than 2, there is no solution. So yes, we know that. Now you can see that 3 over 5 whole power x is less than 3 over 5 whole power 2 because we are taking this condition. Similarly, we can write 4 over 5 power x is less than 4 over 5 whole square. Simply add both the inequalities. Inequality holds true if we will simplify it. So right hand side, if you observe, it is coming out 1. So that enforces 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x is less than 1, which is not true. So we will reject this solution. Similarly, x greater than 2. I will write 3 over 5 whole power x is greater than 3 over 5 whole power 2. 4 over 5 whole power x is greater than 4 over 5 whole power 2. Add both the inequalities. So it will come out 3 over 5 whole power x plus 4 over 5 whole power x, that should be greater than 1, which is not true because that inequality is 1, as you can see here. So that means no solution. Again, it will be rejected. Hence, x equal to 2 and x equal to 0 is our ultimate solution. Now we will check, cross-examine it, whether its value is satisfying the original equation or not. So let me put x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So let us put x equal to 0. So equation will become 6 power 0 plus 8 power 0 plus 15 power 0. It is obvious true. Only we have to check for the second part, second value. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 is equal to 3. Now second value, x equal to 2. 8 power 2 plus 15 power 2 is equal to 9 power 2, 10 power 2, 12 power 2. 36 plus 64 plus 225 is equal to 81 plus 100 plus 144. So this is 100 plus 225 equal to 81 and 144, 225 plus 100. 325 is equal to 325. Verified. Solution verified. So our final answer becomes x0 and x equal to 2. I hope you like this video based on Pythagorean triplet and some algebraic manipulation. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done yet. Thank you.